Hello everyone, thank you for watching these tutorials. As a reminder, if you missed any previous tutorials, I suggest for you to have a quick look at what we've done until now. Okay, now log in and connect to our Events Manager project and click here to open the client. Good. Let's go back. And today I'm going to show you how to create your first calendar in a few minutes. So, let's proceed. Before we start, I have to modify the entity events and add some fields to make the entity compatible with the calendar. First of all, I want to change this date field into date start as label, and I want this to be represented as a date time picker, not only date picker. Okay. Now we can add date end field. Same as the start, so... Oops, required for sure. Okay, then I prefer the events to be related to a specific user. So add user, type select, then integer. And now I have to choose the related entity. So I click on users and save. Let's add another field called color to make my events more customizable. And save. Now I want to show you an interesting feature. I add a type field, select here, and integer, and save. Now I can define a support table for this field by clicking here. So my values will be personal and appointment. Save changes. Perfect. Go back to our clients, and as you can see, the fields are here. Let's remove these from this table. I don't want this table to be too large. Okay, go back here and click Table Builder. I remove this one, this other one, and drag user here and remove type. Okay. Now beautify this form a little bit. So, drag user here, and okay, we're done. Check it on the client. Okay, good. So now I'm going to edit these 3 events so that they are related to a specific user. John Doe here, 27th of March here, start hour, and type. Okay, let's now add a new user. Go into the top right menu, users, then click on new user. Second, user, an email here, a password, active, and save. I can now assign these events to the other user. Well, second user and dates. Type. Save. Again for this, so second user, date end, and start here. Type and description here. And okay, done. We're now ready to create our first calendar. Go back to the visual builder and go to the dashboard layout. From here, click Add New Elements and choose Calendar. Click on Create New Calendar. Type Events Calendar here. In my case, the entity for this calendar is Events, and the entity filter is Users. Save changes. Okay, now click here and Manage Fields. From here, we're going to tell our calendar the corresponding entity's field for each type. So we can add the color field, date end here, date start here, events description for description. We have a title here. And what about the user? This is our filter we want to use in the calendar, so filter here. Finally, okay, now save. Open the client now and refresh the dashboard page to see what our new calendar looks like. Okay, very good. I like this. As you can see, I can move the current week back and forward, and our events are here. Or you can change to the month view like so. Or you can even check the second user to see his appointments here. Remember that events are also clickable if you want to change them. Or you can also drag events if you prefer from here to here. Perfect. I can change color if I want, or every field direct by clicking here. Good. Hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching this video. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to create your first map. Yep, similar to Google Maps, but including all our events, as well as some other FireGUI features. And as always, click on the subscribe button and the bell below, and feel free to ask comments if you need any help. All links are in the description below. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.